Now the 8th question. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers and fractions. Okay. Here we have the 4 questions. 2 now questions. 2 now 5 questions are we have. First 3 is the decimal number. Next 2 is the fraction. We want to find out the square root. Okay. With the numbers we found first. Next with the approximate square root we did. Now the next one is how to find the square root for decimal numbers. So decimal numbers, how to find out, I will tell you. Listen my dear, 2.89. So we know that decimal part, how to say this is what? The point before. Integral part, this is what? Decimal part. So normally 289 it is there now. I will make a pair from the back to from the ones place to 89 to separate. Like that I will do. Here also, if the point is not there now, 2467 I will do. Isn't it? Okay. But you know, it's a decimal number. How to do? Here, decimal number now. For that integral part you can do separately. And decimal part you have to do separately. The bars. Bars now we will make a pass, you know. That is. This is the important one. Okay, so in this first rules is what? Integral part and decimal part we want to make a pairs separately. Okay, if the integral part we know, integral part means the whole numbers. We know how to do. Decimal parts how we will do. That means you have to start from the beginning. Understood? From the beginning to you have to mark to pair. For example, here I will do. For example, 327.183. If you are going to find out the square root. So how to make the bar? See my children. This is that. Here I will make one more. Okay. So you have to do the integral part. Integral part, the whole number part separate. So 2, 1 over. Understood? Now decimal part how I will make now? From here to. From the beginning. After the point, from the beginning you have to make the pass. That's all. What we want to do? From the point, from the beginning itself you have to make it as the pairs. Understood? That's all. This is the difference. Not have that much difficult sum in that book, but you should know the condition of that. Okay? Easy only, it is given in that exercise also. So, see my children, 2 point. Yes. So, first question is 2.89. Okay. So, how to do? We will do the first one solution. .89. They are asking the square root. This is the number is given. We want to find out the square root. Square root only we want to find out. So I will write 2.89. So next step what I said? Yes, we want to make the pairs. So this is integral part separate will come. Decimal part start from the point. 89, 2 pair. Here single, no problem. So next we know very well. See the square numbers. 2. 2 is not a perfect square number. So see, take the before one. 1. 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Remaining what? 1. Okay, here point is there. Make the point on the top. Okay. Next write down the pair 8, 9. Next step what I said? We want to multiply 2. Into 2 we want to do. So what I will get? 1 into 2 is? 1 into 2? Yes. 2 dash into dash here. 2 dash into dash. And 9. 9 it will be where? 7 or 3. Which is, you know, which will come, we want to, this is shortcut way, okay? 3 or 7 I want to use. But see the number, this is, you know, this is what? 189. So I'm going to, it's a big number, you know. For example, 20 something, 189 is a big number. So I'm going to try with 7 now. Okay. I'm going to try with 7 now. 7, 7. So what I will get? 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 18. Yes, I got it. So what it will come? 7, 7. 189. Then 0. Okay. I know, we know very well it is, 289 is 17 only. But here point number, so 1.7, that's all. Okay, understood? Yes. So we can write it as now. Square root of 2.89 is equal to 1.7. That's all over. Okay. So again we will recall. First, here only one difference, same square root only. Here we want to make the bar. Bar na pass we want to make, So in this integral part, single digit only is there. Okay. See the decimal part, you can start from the point itself. 2 pass, only 2 number it is given. So we can do directly. So first number after completed, where is the point will come, it will go up also. That's all. Same procedure of the square root method, long division method. Now the next one. So okay, 2 digit, 3 digit we have completed. Now 4 digit like, So how to do, I'll tell you. Let's listen. First, I want to find out right on 67.24. 67.24. So here very simple. How it is simple now? See, in the integral part only the 2. Pair only it is given. After that also one pair only it is there. So here no problem. We can make it as the pair, the first cell itself. Okay. Next, see, 67 is the square number. No, we not have that. See, 67 is not a perfect square. So what it will be is the 8 squared. Yes, I am going to try with now 8. 8 8s are 64. The point is there. Give the point also. Okay. And next. So 67 minus 64 is 3. Write down the next pair. 2, 4. Next step what I said. What is the number in that? Top into 2. 8 2s are 6. So 8 2s are 16 dash. So here I will write 16 dash into dash. I need 4 only. So 4 now I will take 8 or 4. 16 it is less only. So I am going to first try with 2. 2 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 1 is 3. So what I will take? 2 2. Isn't it? So 324. That's all over. Okay. Now we can write square root of 67.24 is equal to 8.2. If you know the long division method for the whole numbers, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Here nothing. We want to see only the point. With the point how to do that only you have to see proper. Otherwise it will be easy. Okay. First to make give the bar. Bar na 2 numbers together you have to give bar. Okay. So see the first whole number. Only 2 digit is there. So give the pair. So after the point only 2 digit is there. Give the bar. Okay. Then you can proceed with the step. Next. So see the next one. 2.0164. So see my children. 2.0164. I want to find out the square root. Okay. So they see that here how to do I will tell you. First see only the whole numbers. Okay, before the point what it will be, the only 2 is there, so make it as that only the pair. That's all. Next what I said, the decimal numbers, it is separate. Okay, start from the point, make it as the pair. So I am going to start from the point. 0 1 is the pair, 6 4 is the pair. That's all. Understood? This is very important in this. Okay, you have to make the pair for integral part, but it is given only the single digit, so take it as it is. Next, see the decimal points. Start from the beginning, because integral part we will start from the ones place. Okay, from the back to front, but decimal part it will be ulta, from the point itself, from the starting itself we will take the pairs. Okay, now listen. So next procedure is the long division, same method only. So see here, 2 is not a perfect square number, so I will take 1 into 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next this point will go up. Integral part I completed. So next one I want to multiply into 2. 1 into 2 is what? 2 dash into, next write down the pair also, 0 1, so 2 dash into dash. Okay, here see, I told like that, if it is there you want to compare last number, now you will compare very easily. Middle number means what you will do, so I will trial and error method only. Now shortcut I said 2, here you can see only the 2 digit, 10, 2 table 5, how many times it is 2 table in 10, how many times? 5 times. So I am going to try with 5. We are trying. Okay, so I am going to try with 5. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. It is more, so we can't. So what I will do, I am going to try with the before number. 2 4 into 4 I will try. Understood? Next, so 2 4 into 4 I am going to try now. 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this one is correct. Okay, we can select this one now. Okay, so here I will write 4 4. What I will get? 96. So what will be the answer? Here 4 plus 1 is 5. So here and all no need to calculate. We can say directly 101 rupees you have 96 rupees that cost now. What will be the balance? Okay, so 96 now, this is here 4 1. So 5 will be the answer. Think practically when you are doing. Okay. Next is 64 for subtraction only, because there only someone the 0 will be there, they will make mistakes. That's why I say next 64. Write down the pair. Next step is what? I want to take what number is there into 2. Don't consider the point. Okay. 14 into 2. So 14 plus 14 is 28, or multiply whatever. So 28 dash. So here I will write 28 dash into dash. So okay, here the last end of the number. So I'll do with the guessing 4 4. So this is 200 something, 500 something na. So better I'll go with 2. I'm going to try with 2. So 2 2 I'm going to give now. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Yes, we got it. So write it here 2, here also 2. What we will get? 564. That's all. So answer is 0. So what we got here? Square root of 2.0164 is equal to 1.42. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, listen my children. Okay, this only how first step what we want to know, first we have to make it as the pair. Integral part separate, decimal part separate. Make it as the bars. Next 2 is not a perfect square number. So you have to take the before number. So 1 into 1 is 1, remaining 1. Then the point will go up also. Next write down the pair 0, 1. So next step 1 into 2 is 2, 2 dash into dash. So I tried with trial and error method only. First I tried 5. I can't able to get answer here. Nearest value. So I'm going to try. I tried in this before number. 24 into 4 96. So this is near to that little. Okay, so I am going to take this 4 only. So 4 into 4, 24 into 4 is 96. Write down the next pair. Next 1.4. We want to take the point now. No, you just consider the number 14 into 2. That's all. 14 into 2 you can multiply is a 28. Okay. 28 dash into dash now. I tried in 2. So I got it answer 564. Then 564 you can subtract 0 will be the answer. Then what will be the answer for that? 1.42. So the square root of 2.0164 is 1.42. That's all.